Life insurance is more than just a policy. It's a legacy of love and security for your family's future. Are you ready to give them the gift of financial freedom? Life insurance. It's not just a policy, it's peace of mind. For parents, it's knowing that your kids will be taken care of. Even if you're no longer around, life insurance can help ensure that your children's education, their health care, and everyday expenses are covered. For those who are married, it's ensuring that your spouse and family maintain their standard of living. By replacing your income, life insurance can help your loved ones pay for things like groceries, utilities, and mortgage payments. And let's not forget about the debt you may have. Life insurance can help cover things like your mortgage, car loan, or credit card debt, so your loved ones aren't left with those financial burdens. Life insurance is more than just a policy. It's a legacy of love and security for your family. Like what you heard, then subscribe and call now for 706-485-968 for a consultation.